If you eat ginger every day, what happens to the body? First of all, ginger will soothe your stomach like a professional massage therapist, promote the secretion of digestive juices, speed up the digestion of food, so that you say goodbye to stomach upset. Enjoy the food. Secondly, promote weight loss. Ginger can increase the body's metabolism and help burn fat, thus supporting weight management. Ginger can also help relieve nausea and vomiting, and is a very effective reliever, especially for pregnant women and chemotherapy patients. In addition, ginger also helps with blood sugar control, providing additional protection for people with diabetes and making blood sugar more stable. In addition, ginger is also like a caregiver who cares for your joints, can warm and relieve joint pain so that you can live a relaxed life. The gingerol in ginger acts as an amazing shield against free radicals in the body, building a strong line of defense for cells. The effects of gingerol don't stop there. It is also an excellent anti-inflammatory fighter, providing powerful soothing support to the body's joints.
Don't drink water during these times. You don't know about that last one. 1. Before, during, and after exercise. Drinking a lot of water before, during, and after strenuous exercise may cause discomfort and even trigger cramps or gastrointestinal problems. 2. Before bed. Many people think it's a good idea to drink water before bed, but it may actually interfere with your sleep. Drinking lots of water before bed can lead to frequent awakenings during the night, interrupting your precious sleep cycle. It's best to avoid drinking large amounts of water at least an hour before bed. 3. Drinking too much water with meals can dilute digestive enzymes and stomach acids, thus affecting the digestive process. 4. In a high-temperature environment, if you suddenly drink a lot of water, it may increase the burden on the body. You should rehydrate gradually instead of drinking large amounts of water in one sitting. 5. Drinking a lot of water while drinking or after drinking does not fully replace the water your body loses due to alcohol dehydration and may cause stomach upset or other digestive problems. If you eat pomegranates every day, here's what happens to your body. First, your heart will become healthier. Pomegranates contain phytochemicals, such as phytosterols and flavonoids, which can lower cholesterol levels and improve cardiovascular health. Studies have shown that pomegranate juice can lower blood pressure, improve circulation, and prevent hardening of the arteries. Secondly, your digestive system will be healthier. Pomegranate is rich in fiber, which helps promote a healthy digestive system, prevents constipation, and promotes the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut, maintaining the balance of the gut flora. Third, some of the compounds in pomegranate have anti-inflammatory effects that help reduce the inflammatory response, which may be helpful in alleviating the symptoms of inflammatory diseases such as arthritis. Finally, pomegranate is rich in vitamin C, an important antioxidant that boosts immune system function, improves body resistance, and reduces the risk of infection. Follow me for more health tips.